Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: reticent, not revealing one's thought or unwilling to speak about your thoughts or feelings. Synonyms: bashful, restrained, silent, mum, hesitate, shy, uncommunicative, closed mouth. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: confident, extroverted, communicative, outgoing, talkative, open. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: most of the students were reticent about answering questions. Or, due to her reticence, little is known about her personal life. Foment, to cause trouble to develop, or instigate or stir up. Synonyms: abet, arouse, incite, provoke, agitate, nurture, stimulate, brew. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: finish, tranquilize, neglect, deter, stop, calm, conclude, end. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the song was banned on the ground that it might foment racial tension. Or, he was accused of fomenting violence. Frivolous, lacking in seriousness or behaving in a silly way and not taking anything seriously. Synonyms: foolish, unimportant, unworthy, trivial, playful, senseless, pointless, idiotic, of little value or importance, impractical. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: important, meaningful, mature, substantial, eventful, momentous, significant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I feel like doing something completely frivolous today. Or, my mother often spends her monthly pension on frivolous purchase. Lucid, clearly expressed or easily understandable, or thinking or speaking clearly. Synonyms: bright, shining, understandable, luminous, clear-cut, radiant, crystal clear, intelligible, unambiguous, transparent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: clouded, confused, gloomy, foggy, puzzled, unclear, vague, murky. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he did not seem very lucid after his divorce. Or, the author's prose is lucid and entertaining. Bland, lacking in strong features or characteristics and therefore uninteresting. Or, not highly flavored, mild and tasteless. Synonyms: banal, boring, dull, tame. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: bright, exciting, interesting, lively. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: bread is so bland. Another example can be given: I actually enjoy bland foods. Seldom, on only a few occasions. Or, not often, rarely. Synonyms: hardly, occasionally, rarely, scarcely. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: frequently, regularly, often, usually. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we seldom see our neighbors. Another example can be given: my sister is seldom wrong. Extortionate, more expensive than reasonable, extremely expensive. If the price is much greater than what it should be, then it is known as extortionate. Synonyms: excessive, severe, costly, steep, highly priced, blood-sucking. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: reasonable, moderate, cheap, affordable, inexpensive, very low price. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the fee was nothing but extortionate. The price of books nowadays is extortionate. Expedite, to make something happen more quickly or speed up. Synonyms: advance, fast track, forward, accelerate, hasten, rush,
All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: delay, hinder, slow, halt, retard, hold, cease, stop. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he promised to expedite economic reforms.
Intrusive, affecting someone in a way that annoys them and makes them feel uncomfortable, or causing disruption or annoyance through being unwelcome or uninvited. Synonyms: invasive, nosy, interfering, meddlesome. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: ignore, neglect, idle, unintrusive. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the media asked a lot of intrusive questions to the film star. Serene, calm and peaceful, or not worried or excited. Synonyms: placid, tranquil, still, peaceful, quiet. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: deafening, clamorous, turbulent, nervous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: even in tough situation, his character remained serene and unshaken in dignity. Opacity, non-transparency or difficult to understand. Synonyms: darkness, obscurity, cloudiness, opaqueness, murkiness. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: brightness, cognizance, clarity, obviousness, plainness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I could not see anything due to opacity. Renege, go back on a promise, or to fail to keep a promise or an agreement. Synonyms: reverse, back off, back down, back out, renounce, take back. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: correction, accuracy, support, depend, declare, vouch. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: if you renege on the deal now, I will fight you in the court. Entice, to persuade someone to do something, especially by offering them an advantage or reward. Synonyms: attract, invite, persuade, tempt, bait, seduce, lure, decoy. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: repel, repulse, dissuade, disgust, unattractive, turn away, disenchant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she is hoping to entice her children into doing what she wants. Another example can be given: advertisements are made to entice people into spending money. Whimsical, unusual and strange in a way that might be funny or annoying. There's also another meaning: actions that change suddenly and for no obvious reasons. Synonyms: unusual, weird, amusing, comical, funny, mischievous. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: boring, common, dramatic, regular, normal, sensible, reasonable. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: unfortunately, his decisions are often whimsical. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.